Can you read pod chats on Chai app? Now, you used to be able to. Now, remember what I say there, used to, because right now, if I go to my pod here, you can see the option to read conversations or chat with other users has been deleted, right? You can only chat and see the history of your own chat. You can't see the chat or the history or the other conversation your bot has given with other users, right? So it used to be able to do that. You used to be able to see how other users interact, how the other users chat with your bot, and how your bot reply consequentially as well. But they have since removed this feature. I'm guessing it's because of privacy issue. I'm guessing you don't want your chats to be seen by the creator as well, and that's perfectly understandable. So the only thing you can do right now with your bot is chat. You can also edit, you can also delete, you can see how many conversation it has had, you can see how many message it has sent, but you can't see the bot or the chat specifically and what it has been chatting with and what it has been talking about and things like that.